see. We have a few students online, and let's see who can tell me what the first step is. Those of you with the microphone. Okay, anyone with the microphone can tell me what the first step is, or just type your answer if you don't have a microphone. Okay, Sunit, I gave you the mic now. You can tell me what would be your first step if you know.
I think we should remove parentheses by multiply them together first.
You're right. So we have to distribute first. We have to let everything be equal to 0 first. So first we need to distribute. So tell me, what do you get when we distribute this, Sunit?
We should get 2x squared minus 5x. Minus 2x plus 5 equal 9.
Very good. So that's the first step. All right. All right, Sunit, what's the second step?
Subtract 9 on both sides.
Okay, so let's go ahead and subtract 9 from both sides of the equation. So we would get all the terms to the left-hand side. So the right-hand side would be equal to 0 then, right? 9 minus 9. So Sunit, what would be the next step?
Combine like term.
So what do we get?
2x squared minus 7x minus 4 equals 0.
Very good. So what's the next step after that?
Factor them.
Right, we factor them. So if I open two parentheses here, how do you think I can factor this? If I look at the first term, what should I put here for these first terms I need?
2x. The second one should be x.
All right, good. So the first term would be 2x and x, that the product would be 2x squared. So we look at the constant 4. We look for two numbers. When we multiply them together, we get 4. What do you think we should put there, Sunit?
I'm not quite sure.
Well, the possibility for 4 would be 1 and 4 and 2 and 2. And remember, when we multiply the two closest term and two furthest term, you want to get this middle term here. So you want to try one of those combinations, see which one works.
I would say 2 on both sides.
Okay, if I put 2 in both sides, see if it works, 2 and 2. So here I would get 2x and 4x. Can I make 7x out of that?
No.
No. So let's see if I try the other combination. What do you think, Sunit?
A 2x with the 1 and x with the 4.
Okay. Actually, I have some students that don't have a microphone tonight suggesting 1 and 4 also. That's absolutely correct. So if I put 1 and 4 here, and then if If I multiply the two closest term, I get x, and two furthest term, 2 times 4, it would be 8x. Well, I can make -7 out of that. How can I make a -7, Sunit?
Put a minus in front of 1 and plus in front of the 4.
So we need to have 8 be minus and x be plus, so it would be a total of -7. And to make this, you're right, plus has to be in front of 1 and minus has to be in front of 4. So once I get it to this point, let me ask Carly, can you tell me what would be the next step to solve for x?
I'm not sure.
Okay, we have 2, so far we have 2x plus 1 times x minus 4 is equal to 0. So if I have 2 parentheses equal to 0, Carly, what do you conclude from here?
You break them apart and have them equal to 0. So it'd be 2x plus 1 equals 0, and then x minus 4 equals 0.
Very good. Yeah, you let each of these parentheses equal to 0, and you just simply solve for x. Carly, what do you get for the first one? What's the first step to solve this for x?
Subtract 1 from both sides.
Mm-hmm.
And then you'd have 2x equals -1. And then you divide by 2, and you get x equals -1/2.
Okay, how about the next one?
Just add 4, and x equals 4.
Right, so x is equal to 4